What's going on, everybody? What a beautiful start of the week as Bitcoin is breaking its all-time high and currently trading above $71,600. This is the part of the cycle Bitcoin is getting into phase number 3. This is the acceleration phase. This is the phase where the altcoin season is brewing right now, and this is where you need to pay the most attention. Yes, the market is giving a lot of gains for the cryptocurrency users, and this is the time to accelerate the earnings and not blow it up. So what's going on? Welcome to the show. My name is Vitaly Dubinin, and we are looking at a hot market. Bitcoin is trading at $71,600 right now, which is above the all-time high, and we are literally so close to the halving event that is going to be happening in just about 4 weeks from now. So this is a pre-Bitcoin halving pump. This is the first time that we are breaking all-time high before the actual Bitcoin halving event, all thanks to the Bitcoin spot ETF that we have seen flowing more than $500 million a day, more than 10 times the demand, the demand for Bitcoin than the supply of new Bitcoin. And this is going right now in a parabolic phase. I mean, look at this week gains for the altcoins. Sync up 200%, Ether up 140%. Meme coins are ripping. Popcat up 123%. It is wild what is happening right now. Shiba Inu also is ripping. You can see right here just what happened in the last a week or two. I continue going up on a completely tear. The same is Dogecoin. So what you need to right now understand. So in this phase, we're gonna continue going higher, but we're gonna have some wicks to the downside, and these wicks are going to be violent. It's gonna be quick, and it's gonna look something like this, going a bit low and then higher. If you look at the daily, for example, you see a week like this, when Bitcoin went from 69,000 to 59,000, a $10,000 drop. And if you see how fast it actually happened over here, it happened over a period of 5 hours. So those dips are going to be quick, they're going to be violent, and that's what you can expect in this market to see. All of a sudden, couple of candles like this going down, and it can take it back to 65, 66k. If you're gonna see those wicks going down, this is gonna be again your opportunity to buy more Bitcoin. There is just the market is not in the top. It's not in the top. We're just getting started. Look at a Bitcoin Pi cycle top indicator. You can see that when the orange line is gonna cross the green line, this is when we're gonna see Bitcoin topping, and then a couple weeks later the altcoin market is gonna top. So we are not quite there yet. You can see the Bitcoin rainbow chart also, where we are right now. We are entering into this territory of the green. We're not in the orange, we're not in the mania yet. This is looking at the fibs, we can see what are the fibs levels that will take us to the next highs. If we measure move from a Fibonacci retracement, let's measure it from here. Fibonacci retracement tool right here. We can measure the move from the previous low to the high. Let me start again over here. So I don't know if you are able to see that. What we are measuring is where Bitcoin is going to go next. Like, what is the move that is going to take Bitcoin to the next levels? And According to the FIB retracement, I've already seen that the next levels are going to be at $110,000, and at the peak it can reach $210,000. I know this sounds crazy, but we are just in the beginning of the third phase of the cycle, and the halving is upon us in April. So right now Ethereum is trading at above $4,000, is catching up, is about to break the previous all-time high at $4,600. Solana is far from all-time high, but is getting there. The previous all-time high was 245. So altcoins are lagging. BNB, I mean, look at this, absolutely craziness in the market. Shiba Inu, previous all-time high, it's lagging, as you can see. We still have from here to all-time high 100 and something percent. So it can reach even beyond the previous all-time high. Polkadot is lagging a lot, you know. Polkadot is a great buying opportunity right now from the all-time high, 400%. Dogecoin ripping in. Link, $21. It can easily go to 50 to 100. $50 is the previous all-time high, to $100 in this bull market. Near is protocol is ripping. Rune ripping. I mean, it's incredible what's going on right now in the ecosystem. How you should divide your money. Don't be like super FOMO into one coin. You divide between Bitcoin, Ethereum, put 30%, 30% in the mid-cap coins like layer 2s, like Optimism, like Arbitrum. This type of projects. Here's Arbitrum. It's gonna do very, very well in this bull market. It's right now already at all-time high, $2.1, and from here it's gonna go much higher. And another like part, diversifying the ecosystem, artificial intelligence, AI, metaverse, this type of niches. Gaming, there is one that is called NAKA Games. You can buy it on KuCoin. It's currently at $3. Is gonna be listed on Binance soon. So this is what I'm hearing. So this can easily, you know, triple from this $3 level from here. This is the time to make money. This is the time to make money in crypto right now. The money is great, and for the next 14 months, like 12 to 14 months, 15 months, 16 months, you gotta be paying attention, because don't fuck it up and make life-changing gains in the cryptocurrency market. How we are not gonna fuck it up? Well, do not sell too early. Have a plan, have an exit strategy plan, and sell portion of your portfolio when the coins go to certain levels, and start increasingly selling when it's gonna be becoming closer to the all-time high. When there is dips, okay, don't panic sell on the dips, panic buy on the dips. When there's gonna be dip happening in the market, this is the time to buy. When we are in a parabolic phase, when we are in a bull market phase, when there is when there is pullbacks, when there is going down and dips, this is the time to buy. This is the time to accumulate more of Bitcoin. Here's Willy Woo is saying Bitcoin at 71,000 puts us here in visual of the upper and lower bound models. Upper bound right now is 337,000. So this bull market is still early, equivalent to $20,000 of last cycle. Last cycle didn't hit the upper bound due to the flood of paper BTC. This is less dominant that cycle. So he's talking about 337. I don't think about that. I think the highest it will go is 210,000, and that is at the peak of the peak of the peak. But there's still a lot of room to grow in the cryptocurrency market. At least $8 trillion is gonna grow. So this exciting phase of the bull market, I wish everyone great success into it, into this cycle. You know, there's a lot of coins that are popping. There's Render, Dog with a Hat, THETA. I mean, look at this week. Look at today. THETA 18%, PETH 20% is popping up. Continue going. Look at this months. FIAT 300. This is AI narrative. Pepe 800% this month. Floki 800%. DOGE had 682%. It is incredible. The gains happened this month already in March. And you can come to banterbubbles.com and you can check here actually the ecosystem. You can filter let's say ecosystem of Avalanche. So you can check here the different projects of Avalanche ecosystem or Solana ecosystem and see these coins are ripping. You know, here's today. Pretty cool. So what you want to do is accumulate, buy, earn, accumulate, and have a plan of how you're gonna sell. Okay, at the different stages. We are not at the peak of the bull market yet, so this is getting heated. This is getting accelerated. So let's get this. I hope you are doing fantastic today, and I wish everyone happy gains.